Welcome back. Hello India Khelo competition is organized in Champawat, Goral Code ground. In this competition, more than 800 students were participated. In the Khelo India Khelo competition,
युवा कल्याण विभाग द्वारा आयोजित इस प्रतियोगिता को खेलो इंडिया खेलो योजना अंतर्गत यहाँ पर हमारी 8 प्रतियोगिताएं यहाँ पर कराई गई हैं और इसके बाद ये लोग जो यहाँ पर प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त कर रहे हैं ये लोग राज्य स्तर में भाग लेंगे तथा इनको केंद्र की ओर से केंद्रीय योजना से प्रथम को ये 1500 रुपया, सेकेंड को 1000 रुपया, थर्ड को 500 रुपया इनके बैंक अकाउंट में केंद्र सरकार द्वारा बाद में दिया जाए।
the Central University of Uttarakhand, Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna Garhwal University is always on news for some controversial reasons. For the 2 years before, the workers of the Central University alleged for scam for crores of rupees were used for personal benefit, and for investigating the matter, the HRD team visits the university, and moreover, the Vice Chancellor of the university is still silent on the whole matter.
उम्मीद तो जगी है क्योंकि ये जो घोटाले हैं पिछले 2 साल के हैं और इसमें लगातार हम MHRD से, सेंट्रल विजिलेंस कमीशन से, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस से कई जगह हमने कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस किया था, लेकिन बहुत पॉजिटिव अभी तक नहीं निकल के आया है। लेकिन जब ये टीम हमारे से इन्होंने इंटरेक्शन किया है, जिस तरह से पूछताछ की है, उससे एक
Lashing out yet again at Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his government regarding the demonetization move, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi alleged that it's been a month since the opposition is trying to have a debate over the issue, but the centre remains mum. He hinted that the Prime Minister is afraid to even discuss the matter and added that demonetization has been one of the biggest scams.
मगर लोकसभा में आने से डर है। एक महीने से हम डीमोनेटाइजेशन पे चर्चा करना चाहते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि सरकार हाउस के अंदर हमारे साथ डिबेट करे और जैसे मैंने कहा, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाएगा। प्रधानमंत्री पूरे देश में भाषण दे रहे हैं, मगर लोकसभा में आने से डर है।
Telangana State IT Minister K.T. Tamta Rao visited the site where a 7-story building collapsed in the Nanak Ramguda area of Hyderabad, leaving 3 dead and several injured. Rescue operations are on pull out possible survivors.
ये हादसा हुआ, इट इज अ ट्रूली अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट जो भी हुआ। शाम तक चलेंगे शायद, और जल्द से जल्द जिस हद तक हो सका रिलीफ मेजर्स कंप्लीट करेंगे। और जब तक ये रिलीफ मेजर्स खत्म ना हो जाते, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से मैं, हमारे कमिश्नर, हमारे मेयर, सभी लोग यहीं पे रहेंगे। 13 लोगों की पूरा रिपोर्ट है और उनके सभी रिश्तेदार भी यहाँ पे हैं। उनकी रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक 13 लोग।
At least 13 government teachers, including 5 women, were killed in a road accident near Chandmari village in Fazalka, Punjab on today morning due to intense foggy conditions. 6 of the teachers and their driver died on the spot. The accident involved a collision between a truck and a car. Reportedly, the truck driver fell from the spot. Police are investigating the whole incident. Union Minister of State for Finance Arjun Ram Meghwal said that a process is underway to introduce plastic currency note in the near future, asserting that plastic money proves helpful in tracking counterfeit currency. He said that a committee has been formed to monitor the process. The centre-led decision comes a month after the old note of rupees 500 and 1000 were banned.
तो करेंसी हम जारी करते हैं, उसको ट्रैकिंग करना, उसकी नंबरिंग और उसको, तो इसमें जो पेपर करेंसी है उससे प्लास्टिक करेंसी में आसान होता है, इसलिए प्रोसेस हमने ऑन कर रखा है। हाउस में हमने पहले भी जवाब दिया, आज भी जवाब दिया है कि प्रोसेस ऑन है। फेक करेंसी को रोकने में प्लास्टिक करेंसी एक अच्छा।
A group of Janata Dal United workers and residents in Bengaluru performed the last rites of an ATM machine to register their protest against demonetization. Citing a lack of currency notes in ATMs, the protesters complained that people have been facing trouble since the government announced the scrapping of all notes of rupees 500 and 1000.
After 1 month, that there is no point, this thing keeping the dead the ATM machine activized and then waiting. So we removed the, the artificial respiration and it's dead now. So we are doing Antim Samskar today with calling out the public and in a ritually, the traditional customary way, let the ATM soul rest in peace. We are dispatching the Prasada, Amvade, Kajaya to our Honorable Prime Minister and Finance Minister so that they know the problems we public are facing.
Criticizing the opposition for their protest against demonetization, Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh said the decision is working like a pundit machine for people supporting corruption. The Home Minister praised the Bihar and Odisha Chief Ministers and said politicians continuously working for the betterment of the society are in favor of this bold decision taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
हजार रुपए की नोटों का चलन हमारी सरकार ने बंद कर दिया, जिसे हम नोटबंदी कहते हैं बोलचाल की भाषा में। अब इस नोटबंदी को हमारे विरोधी लोग कह रहे हैं कि यह नोटबंदी नहीं है, यह नसबंदी है। और बहनों भाइयों में अब आप स्वयं ही कल्पना कर सकते हैं, जो लोग इसे नसबंदी मानते हैं वह जो काला धन इकट्ठा करने वाले लोग हैं, जो भ्रष्टाचार करते हैं, उनकी नसबंदी हुई है, उनकी नस कटी है और हिंदुस्तान में ईमानदारों की।
People continued to queue up outside ATMs and banks. A month after the government demonetized high-value currency notes, the move was aimed to curbing black money. A month on, ATMs and banks across the country still don't have enough cash to meet the demand of citizens. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had dropped a bombshell on November 8 by abolishing 500 and 1000 rupee note that accounted for 86% of cash in circulation.
की जरूरत है जो इतना हिसाब से निकल रहा है कि 1-2 दिन में खर्चा हो जा रहा है, फिर लाइन में आ जा रहा है। जो है इसमें कुछ सुधार होना चाहिए। जो है
से खड़े बहुत परेशान है, सुबह से नहीं बहुत ज्यादा ही परेशान है। घर का काम नहीं कर पाते, बैंक का काम होता रहता है, पहुंचते कैश खत्म हो जाता है, वापस चले जाओ।
Government informed Parliament that the decision has been taken to print plastic currency note and procurement of material has started. It has been decided to print banknote based on plastic or polymer substrate. The process of procurement has been initiated. Minister of State for Finance Arjun Ram Meghwal said in a written reply in Lok Sabha to query whether RBI process to print plastic currency notes in the place of paper ones. The Reserve Bank of India for long has been planning to launch plastic currency note after filed trials. Plastic note have an average life span of about 5 years and are difficult to imitate. Also, currency note made of plastic are cleaner than paper ones. Such notes were first introduced in Australia to safeguard against counterfeiting. Attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi for taking a half-baked, immature and dictatorial decision of demonetization purely for the BJP's political interest, BSP chief Mayawati questioned his claim that the government was prepared for the move, and even she also questioned that why Prime Minister Modi is not coming to the parliament. She said Prime Minister Modi should be in parliament to hear what others have to say. That's all in this English Bulletin. For more updates, keep watching HNN 24/7.